Tofino is a place unlike any other. It is a place that rewards those who venture into it with majestic views and unforgettable experiences. After a full day traveling and a day spent surfing, we challenged ourselves to wake up before the crack of dawn.
Oh, slumberino! Look at this guy, right? Dude, we've been up for an hour too.
What are you firing?
We looked out the window and we're like, we got 10 more. We got 10 more. Oh, more little snoozerino. You got the coffee going or what?
After getting our caffeine fix, we started chasing sunrise. We heard from a local that there were a few good lookout points that were worth the early rise.
It was pretty hard to wake up this morning. Me and Mox, we were on either side of each of our beds, snoozing. Finally, we're like, let's do it. I'm glad we did it. It was well worth it. This is what you got to do. Wake up in the morning, catch the sunrises, make the most of the day. We got plenty more time to go. Woo! Get it.
As far as the eye could see, the Canadian wilderness stretched endlessly into the distance. With a glowing sun peeking through the mountaintops, our sense of wanderlust was more than fulfilled. With a solid morning behind us, our day was just beginning. We piled into the car and headed to our next adventure.
Alright, so we just got to the marina, day 3 out here in Tofino. We are about to hop on a boat and go to a magical little location. So, strap on your boots, put on your life jacket, let it go.
An hour and a half away is Hot Springs Cove. You can fly, or you can take a speedboat there. Either way, it's one hell of a ride. Our tour guide, Ocean Outfitters, suited us up and welcomed us aboard.
We're ready to cruise to the hot springs.
You ready to go?
Feel
Ready to go fast?
We're gonna go so fast on this boat, we have to wear suits to protect us from speed. Look at these goggles.
These are from the speed that we're going to be taking on this boat ride.
All right, let's do this.
If you're lucky enough, you'll spot some wildlife along the way to Hot Spring Cove. We saw eagles, a colony of sea lions, even a few gray whales. After the boat ride, there's a 30-minute stroll through the forest, which none of us really minded because it's not every day that you venture out to a hot spring.
So we just got here to Hot Springs Cove, and as you can clearly see, I'm having the best time of my life. There's like 5 or 6 pools right here, just varying in temperature, and I'm in the one that is just like the perfect temperature. And when the tide's just right, you've got the ocean rolling in right here and just leveling it out. I can't think of a better place to be spending my afternoon. This place is amazing.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was a spiritual experience. We rub-a-dub-dub in the hot springs. It actually is honestly beautiful. Like, you look out to the ocean, you got the waves crashing, the green glowing trees, and honestly this is probably the favorite thing I've done so far on this trip. What do you think, Joshy boy?
I
Get
love
that stress relief?
Even the ride home was a thrill. With our boat speeding across the water with the vast mountains as our backdrop, our captain even put on a show for us. As the sun set on our day, it still wasn't the end of our weekend in Tofino.
How was that, buddy?
Man, that's absolutely majestic. I don't know what I like more, the hot spring or the boat ride itself. The whales, the seals.
Two different entities, you know? Like half the fun was just coming back from the hot springs. This guy rips around, as you'll see in the footage. We did some crazy ass stuff that I've never seen done with the boat before. You guys join Ocean Outfitters next time you're down here and go for a rip. Check out some hot springs.
It was our last day in Tofino, and we had to make our way back home to Vancouver. As we made our way back, we didn't want the adventure to end. We wanted to end it triumphantly. So we went for something a little more extreme. We stopped in Qualicum Beach, and Skydive Vancouver gave us a quick safety briefing and piled us into the plane. For some of us, this was our first jump.
All right, no turning back now, baby.
Oh my God.
No turning back now, Joshy boy.
Turning back.
All right, so we're just waiting. Justis is about to jump, so pretty soon we're gonna see a little ant fall out of the sky. It's gonna be a good one. Yeah, buddy. Welcome back. Welcome home. Welcome home, baby.
Bucket list right there.
Welcome home.
Oh man,
That's how we do it. Skydive Vancouver. Amazing.
I'm even emotional, man. This is so good.
Yeah, Moxley.
What up, brother?
Woo! Holy shit, that's epic.
Looking sharp in that sky.
Oh, that's so sick.
Oh man, with the sunset? Holy.
Speechless.
I could start crying.
Dude, that's how I felt.
So overwhelming, especially with the moon, the sun. Such a perfect end to this trip.
Yeah, man.
I wasn't that nervous, and then we were like, okay. Ah!
There's a little bit of screaming and free fall. Can you hear that?
Our weekend in Tofino had come to a close. It was relaxing, adventurous, but most of all, it left us feeling energized to seek out more experiences like the one we just had. If you haven't watched the first half of our weekend in Tofino, click the video on the left. To watch our other travel videos, click the playlist on the right. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel, leave a comment, hit the like button, and turn on that notification bell. We'll catch you in the next episode.